When we think about billionaires and their cars, the first image that usually comes to mind is a garage filled with extreme supercars. Machines like Bugattis, Lamborghinis, and Ferraris lined up like trophies. Loud engines, sharp designs, and price tags that could buy entire neighborhoods. But the reality is often more surprising than that. Many of the world's richest people don't actually drive supercars in their daily lives. In fact, when you look closely, a lot of billionaires prefer cars that are simple, practical, and even ordinary, not because they can't afford the best, but because they value something very different: comfort, privacy, reliability, and freedom from attention. Let's take a closer look at 10 cars that billionaires often choose instead of supercars. Number 1. Toyota Prius. It might sound unbelievable at first, but one of the most famous billionaire choices is the Toyota Prius. This car is not about speed or luxury. It's about efficiency and practicality. The Prius became globally known as a symbol of hybrid technology and fuel savings. For billionaires, the appeal is not the car itself, but what it represents. Some choose it because it helps them blend in completely with everyday traffic. No attention, no cameras, no crowds. Others like it because it reflects a message of environmental responsibility. In a world where every move is watched, the Prius becomes the perfect disguise. Number 2. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is one of the most unassuming yet respected sedans ever made. It is reliable, smooth, and extremely practical. But most importantly, it is invisible in a crowd of luxury vehicles. For wealthy individuals, that invisibility is valuable. When you're extremely rich, attention becomes a problem rather than a reward. The Accord lets them move around without security convoys or unwanted recognition. It's not about impressing people, it's about not being noticed at all. Number 3. Volkswagen Golf. The Volkswagen Golf is another surprisingly popular choice among high net worth individuals, especially in Europe. It's compact, efficient, and incredibly easy to drive in busy cities. Billionaires who spend time in places like London, Berlin, or Zurich often prefer small cars that don't stand out. The Golf represents a kind of quiet practicality. It doesn't try to be anything more than what it is, a dependable everyday vehicle. And that's exactly why it works. Number 4. Ford F-150. In the United States, the Ford F-150 is more than just a pickup truck. It's a cultural icon. Many successful entrepreneurs and even billionaires choose it because it connects them to a sense of normal life. It's powerful, durable, and extremely useful. Unlike supercars that are limited to smooth roads, the F-150 is built for real work, hauling, towing, and handling rough environments. For some wealthy owners, it's not about luxury. It's about staying grounded and connected to practicality. Number 5. Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is often misunderstood in this context. While Tesla is known for innovation and high performance, the Model 3 itself is relatively modest compared to luxury performance vehicles. It is efficient, minimalistic, and focused on technology rather than status. Many billionaires who care about sustainability or modern tech prefer it as a daily driver. It's quiet, fast enough, and loaded with smart features, but it doesn't scream wealth the way traditional supercars do. Number 6. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX sits in a unique space. It is luxury, but subtle luxury. It offers a smooth ride, a quiet cabin, and strong reliability. But unlike ultra-expensive European SUVs, it doesn't draw unnecessary attention. This makes it ideal for wealthy families or executives who want comfort without publicity. It's refined, but not loud about it. Number 7. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is legendary across the world for one reason: indestructibility. It has been used in deserts, mountains, and some of the harshest environments on Earth. It is not designed to be flashy. It is designed to survive anything. Billionaires who travel to remote areas, or who simply want absolute reliability, often trust the Land Cruiser over exotic vehicles that can't handle tough terrain. When conditions get extreme, this is the vehicle that delivers. Number 8. Volvo XC90. Volvo has built its entire reputation around safety. and the XC90 is the perfect example of that philosophy. It is a luxury SUV, but its main focus is protection, comfort, and family security. Many wealthy individuals choose it not for performance, but for peace of mind. Especially those with children value its reputation as one of the safest vehicles on the road. It represents responsibility more than status. Number 9. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Not every Mercedes is designed to be flashy. The E-Class is often chosen by executives who want elegance without excess. It is comfortable, smooth, and refined, but it doesn't demand attention the way higher-end models might. For billionaires, this balance is perfect. It provides luxury when needed, but still allows them to move through public spaces quietly. It's sophistication without spectacle. Number 10. Subaru Outback. Perhaps the most surprising choice of all is the Subaru Outback. It is known for being rugged, practical, and extremely reliable. It is not a luxury car in any traditional sense, but that's exactly why some wealthy people love it. It represents freedom, road trips, outdoor adventures, and escaping the corporate world entirely. For some billionaires, happiness isn't found in supercars, but in simple journeys where no one recognizes them. At first glance, it might seem strange that billionaires would choose ordinary cars over world-class supercars. But when you understand their lifestyle, it makes more sense. Supercars bring attention, and attention is something many wealthy people try to avoid, not attract. Instead, they choose comfort, privacy, practicality, and control over their daily experience. Because in the end, true luxury isn't always about speed or price. Sometimes it's about driving a car that lets you disappear into the world, completely unnoticed.